So HAPPRUN has this smart projector that basically turns this into a smart TV, except you get to decide how big you want the screen to be. And since they license Google TV Smart Projector, you get all the benefits of Google TV, download and browse apps, and much more. So let's have a look at this projector.
Mr. Black.
And by the way, welcome to the channel where I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. If you like gadgets and gear, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't be a stranger to the channel. Also, you can hit that like button, that would also help out a lot. Now, HAPPRUN did send this to me and they're sponsoring this video so that I could test out all the features, play around with it, and see what it can do, and then share my experience with you guys. And I'll put links to all of this stuff down in the description so you can easily find it down there. And actually, I've looked at a few HAPPRUN projectors on this channel already, but this is their latest Google TC Smart Projector. So a smart projector, think of it like a smart TV, but where you can be portable with it, easily take it off your wall, and also decide how small or how big that screen you want it to be. Project it on the wall, project it on a screen, project it on the ceiling, kind of gives you a lot more options. And we'll come back to the smart TV part of this, but first, I just want to take a quick look at the design. On the back, you have an HDMI input that supports 4K resolution. You also have a headphone out or speaker out. You have an AV input for anyone that still uses RCA. It also has two USB inputs for flash drives, which makes something like this perfect for parties, so you can have like slideshows. There's a built-in 5-watt high-fidelity speaker, and it supports Dolby sound effects. Now, it's not like immersively loud, but if you are in a small room or you're close enough to it, it does the job. There's a quarter thread on the bottom for mounting. You can mount it on a tripod, you can mount it on the ceiling, or you could just set this up on the desk, and there's this little bolt here that you can unscrew to adjust the angle off the desk. At the front is your lens, and it also does come with a lens cap, and at the top you can adjust the focus or the keystone with these dials right here. It comes with a remote control where you can actually use this to focus and keystone, plus navigate the menu and settings, as well as quick access to some popular apps. And that's some of my favorites right there, YouTube on the top, baby. It also has Google Assistant where you can press this voice control button and you can say things like open up Netflix or search for a certain movie, and many more ways to easily navigate with the voice control. It has built-in 5.2 Bluetooth and Wi-Fi 6, and with that you can connect this thing wirelessly to the internet, where that turns this into a Google Smart TV. With Bluetooth you can connect this to some other speakers wirelessly, or even connect it to wireless headphones, so if you're watching a movie and you didn't want to disturb anyone else, you can just listen to it right there. And with the 400 ANSI lumens, it gives bright and vivid visuals, even if it's not complete darkness. Now, I mentioned that it supports 4K resolution. That doesn't necessarily mean it projects in 4K. It actually projects in 1920 by 1080, so it says it supports 4K. That way, if you plug in like a game console that's 4K, or your camera, or anything else that is 4K, it will actually accept that resolution. But in projector world, 1080p on a screen this big, it actually looks really crisp and clear. So 4K, 1080p, that really doesn't matter. It just depends on how big of an image you can get while keeping it clear and bright. And by the way, this is like a 120-inch screen right here. It takes up like a whole wall, and the image looks really good. Like, we set this up in our lounge room, the screen took up the whole wall, and we were playing Nintendo, and it looked great. The quality was awesome. I've never played Mario Kart that big on the screen right there, and the quality looked just as good as on my smart TV. But I also love that you can connect your computer or your smartphone to this thing. You can mirror it, or you can use it like a secondary display. So if you have your computer, you can actually have your projector as like that second monitor. But you can go through the menu system and navigate to different parts of it to see how it works. It's actually pretty simple, and I think that's the main attraction. It's a Google TV, small and portable. You could take it camping. You can make like a little outdoor theater if you want. You can just project inside if you're having a game room and you want to play a lot of games. It's great for that. But overall, it's just simple to use and gives you everything that you need. And also having that Google license, so you don't have to add like Fire Sticks or anything else to make it smart, which also draws power, so you just need another power source for that. But having it all just right here, yeah, it's pretty cool. But that's it for today's video. If you want to see some more cool gear that I've done on this channel, I'll put some links to videos up there on the screen, so you can click one of those if one looks more interesting than the other. And yeah, I'll see you there.